What's going on, YouTube? So today we're gonna do a pepper review. Look at that. That's a Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion. So today we're gonna do a pepper review. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I don't eat a whole lot of fresh peppers anymore, but we're gonna give this one a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one open. Make sure we ain't dealing with any rotten seeds. It's the Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion pepper. Whoo! Smells hot. I can smell it already. You're watching Sinta Garden. My name is Aaron, and I make do-it-yourself videos and tutorials about gardening because I think there's something about gardening that refreshes the soul. I grew this pepper myself. This is the JPGS, also known as the Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion. Let's go ahead and get into it. I feel a little heat already. Well, hot dog, that's a hot pepper. From what I understand, they range from 800,000 to a million Scoville Heat Units. They were discovered on a farm in Pennsylvania by a guy named Jay Weaver on his family's farm, and in a field of ghost peppers. Ooh, that's hot, man. Roll my window down. But sorry. So he took the pepper, saved the seeds, and grew it out and stabilized it. Ooh, boy, that's a hot pod. I didn't think it was gonna be that hot. At first it was nice and fruity. I was like, oh, this ain't bad. It's a little hot, but not too bad. But ooh, she's a hot one now. Wow. Wow. So yeah, pepper was stabilized by Jay Weaver on his farm in Pennsylvania, his family's farm. It's a cross between a regular ghost pepper and a Trinidad Scorpion. And that's a mean pepper. Great flavor, nice and fruity. But hot as hell. Oh. Man, I wasn't ready for that. Oh. I'm at work here, just taking my lunch break. Thought I'd do a quick pepper review. I need to bust out a couple more of these. I grew some new peppers this year, so man, that is hot though. Oof, it's destroying me. just want it to chill out a little bit. Just like, yo, pepper, chill out, you know? Man. So yeah, that was the Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion Pepper. You're watching Sinta Garden, and thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.